First of all, we need to go to settings on our phone. After that, go to network and internet. And here you should be able to find hotspot and tethering. So let's select this option. Now we can easily just turn on or turn off Wi-Fi hotspot by tapping on this switcher. You can also tap on Wi-Fi hotspot in order to find the configuration. So you can change the hotspot name over here, change the password, adjust the security, or even change the frequency and compatibility with Wi-Fi 6 standard. Of course, keep in mind that some settings may cause the hotspot not being detectable by other devices due to compatibility issues, so just keep that in mind. You can also generate the QR code. If the Wi-Fi hotspot is enabled, you can tap on this QR code icon on the right side, enter the screen lock password, and there we go. Here we have the QR code that we can use in order to connect with our Wi-Fi hotspot. Unfortunately, while using Wi-Fi hotspot, we turn off the Wi-Fi, so we can only share internet access of our mobile data. And besides that, you can go to quick settings or the control center, and over here you should also be able to find the hotspot. So you can tap here in order to quickly turn on or turn off. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.